Today we're making an apple ginger lemon juice recipe that tastes amazing, and it also has skin health benefits and is great for the immune system. So stay tuned if you want to see this easy green juice recipe. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie. I have a master's degree in public health. I'm also a certified holistic nutritionist, and most of all, I'm a real person and I'm a survivor of many health issues. I really believe in the saying, you are what you eat. And maybe you are what you drink. So I do love making juice recipes like this gorgeous green juice we're making today. They're just so vibrant, they're so refreshing, they're easy to make, and I find that green juices, they cover a lot of dietary styles, and so they're really accessible to everyone. And I do get a lot of questions about why make a juice instead of a blended drink, so I'll address that at the end of the video. So today we're making this recipe. It has only 4 ingredients. I'm sneaking in the cucumber because it has so many hydrating benefits and it adds just a little bit more nutrients. So we're going to be using red apples. Now, if you want to make the juice a little bit lower in natural sugars, then you can use green apples and you could reduce the apple to just 1 or even a half of an apple. If you do that, you may want to increase the cucumbers to 2 cucumbers to help make up for the liquids. You have enough. We're going to be using lemons and fresh ginger. Now, I know a lot of people also ask me, why do I peel my lemons? Why do I peel my ginger? And that's mostly because I'm really sensitive to bitter flavors. And so I like to peel those produce items. I actually do peel my cucumber as well because I have a sensitive digestive system. If you have a more robust digestive system, you don't have to peel those food items. Although if you are using non-organic produce, you may want to also consider removing the peel. So today we're going to be using my juicer. I will tag it in the video. I'll also tag it below. It's an Omega juicer. I bought it a few years ago. I bought it directly from the website. My husband is a veteran, and so I was able to get a veteran's discount, and it was also on sale, so I saved a lot of money. So I would encourage you to always be on the lookout for sales if you're looking for a juicer, or you can check out some of my other videos where I show how to use a blender to make fresh vegetable juice. It's really easy. But the balance of this, the ingredients in this recipe, I think worked really well. The lemon, it just is probably the most prominent flavor. I didn't add too much ginger in this one. So I feel like it was just naturally sweet, so much better than plain water. We're getting ready to go into the warmer months of the year, and this is a super great way to hydrate. And then it just feels functional as well because you're getting all those anti-inflammatory compounds from the ginger, the vitamin C from the lemon, of course the hydration as I mentioned, and antioxidants from the cucumber. And so everything works really well. And then of course I didn't peel the apples, and so we get benefits from the apples as well. But essentially because I used a juicer that has a wide mouth feeder, I don't have to do much prepping either. So I mean, this recipe comes together in less than 30 minutes. It will keep for a few days, and it has a little spicy kick. It will calm down the second day. But I really hope that you make it. I feel like it is really great for the skin if you're looking to clear up acne, if you're looking to add a little bit more hydration to your skin and smoothness. You can see I feel like I have really nice skin, and I attribute that a lot to juicing and to just eating a healthy diet in general. And I guess you would say I'm sensitive to how my skin looks because I did have really bad acne for many years. I had adult acne. I had acne as a teenager. I still have some scarring. Thankfully, not too bad. So I really love that my skin is clear now. I rarely get acne. And as I mentioned, I think a lot of that is because of my diet. So let's go ahead and make this recipe, and then we'll check in and I'll answer that question about juicing versus blending. So I am using my Omega Easy Batch Juicer. for this recipe. And as I mentioned, you can also make it using a high-speed blender. You would just need to add about a cup to a cup and a half of water and then strain that blended mixture through a clean nut milk bag. But of course, using a juicer is going to get you the most bang for your buck because you're going to extract the most from the pulp. You can see how dry the pulp is, and of course you can always save your pulp and add it back to even baked goods or even to a smoothie if you want. I don't always save my pulp, but you can always throw it in a bag and put it in the freezer for later. The answer to the question of why make juice when you could have a blended drink, and really the difference is how filling it is and how much fiber is in that drink. So I do prefer to make juices for more like a snack option or a way to increase nutrition. And then smoothies, I do make smoothies and I make them more for a meal replacement. So in case you aren't aware of the differences, a juice is what we just made. And then a smoothie would be if we didn't strain the juice or we made it in a blender and just kept all the fiber within the drink. So the juice has the fiber removed, although there still is some fiber in a juice. It doesn't get every piece of fiber out, but it really does break it down. You can see it's smooth. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, it is so good. I really, really, really love this combination. The lemon is the dominant flavor. You can see how pretty it is too. Gave some to my husband and he loved it as well. The ginger is not too strong. You could probably double the ginger if you wanted to. Then it can be a little strong. So start off with a small amount. Add more the next time if you want. You can see just a little green tint from the cucumber. As I mentioned, I do peel my cucumbers, so it's not too green. So I think that you could give this to folks who are, who generally don't like green drinks, so to speak. But I know you're gonna love this one, and be sure to check below because I have a free juicing quick start guide through email. It's totally free. Please sign up for that because I want to keep in touch with you and stay connected so you get all my free juicing recipes. I have tons, everything from celery juice to pear juice to strawberry juice, and we're going to be making all kinds of fun recipes this coming summer when so much more produce is coming into season. Right now I'm going to leave you with my spinach juice recipe, which is also wonderful for glowing skin. See you soon. Bye.